ये तो हीरो तो कहाँ से था नहीं को किंदे ना नहीं तो
What's up YouTube, this is Umesh the Barber and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be doing life-changing haircut, so make sure you guys stay tuned and watch the full video. Here I'm starting off with the top sectioning and cutting the length that he desired. I like to start off with the middle and then go to the sides and make it all even. After I'm done with the top, I like to cross check all over before I move on to the sides. Here I have number 3 lever all the way open. Make sure you guys don't go all the way up and into the top and stay below the parietal ridge. See here on the side, and you'll be able to see it on the other two. See how the side tempo is way lighter than the rest, and I use the same number 3 guard on the side. I'm not gonna lie, but his hair was kind of challenging for me, but you know, I did my best and gave him the best haircut I could. Here I have my lever all the way open and fading it down as I go down. Then I have my number 1 lever all the way open and I'll close it. Here I have my number 2 lever all the way open and close afterward. After number 2 guard, what I like to use is use number 1.5 lever all the way open and close as it needs. Here I'm going back with number 1 lever all the way open and detailing some dark spot. What I did here is fade it down, and here I have number 1/2 guard, lever all the way closed and open in the area where I need to. Here with this thinning shear, I'm trying to lighten out the dark areas where I see need to be lightened a little bit. on the other side, I'll be doing the same steps, same cards. So I'm gonna let you guys follow the steps. Here on the back, I'm connecting both sides in the middle. I apologize about this autofocus. I'll be tripping sometimes. So basically, it's the same steps here on the back too. First lever open, close it as you need it. Then number 1 lever open and close. And number 2 lever open, close, and go with 1.5 and half guard to blend everything together. Here I'm using my trimmer to clean up the hair. Here I'm going back with half guard and doing some detail work because it still had some dark spot that needed to be cleaned up. Here I have my Babyless trimmer for a lineup. I'm using Babyless foil shaver to clean everything up. Here I'm applying Save Gel before I start the lineup with Shred Razor. Make sure you always pull the skin when you line up your client with the Shred Razor. This is before the cut. Damn, it was so bad. Now check out the after. What you guys think? Did I change his life? Let me know on the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be dropping 1 or 2 videos every week. Peace out. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.